Josh Bentley on the drums there. Over here this evening, on the guitar, on the vocals, give it up for Mr. Dave Powers. Back here on the bass guitar, a deep man with a deep instrument, that is Sam Rasmussen. Over here in the corner playing every instrument that we could find for him. On the pedal steel, on the guitar, on the banjo, on the mandolin, on the bongos. Give it up for Mr. Danny Black. And right here, this evening, on the piano, on the guitar, on the beautiful vocals, that is Christina Lacey.